Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara. And today is going to be the continuation of building this garden swing that I've started building in the last video. If you didn't get a chance to check that out yet, I will put a card up above so you can check that out. Just so you'll see how far I've come with this project. Hopefully by the end of this video, I will get the swing completely finished, and to be able to swing in the sunshine. So today is a really good day to start again because it's not too hot. There's a good breeze. It's not supposed to get super duper crazy humid and hot today, so I'm gonna enjoy the weather while I can and try to get as much done today as possible. So if you want to see how this project turns out, then just stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna build the seat part of the swing first and then the back part last. So I have this 2x4. I'm gonna make the seat from the 2x4, and I measured it across. I think I want the seat to be 46 inches across. That's enough to have like 2 people to sit down comfortably. So 46 inches across. I think I'm gonna make it about 15 inches deep, and yeah, we'll see how that turns out. Okay, so the seat is done. This wood is very warped, so it's not exactly a good rectangle. I tried to support it in the middle the best I could. I'm gonna lay down some wood across the top to make the actual part that you sit on. I'm gonna have to use some scrap wood from my wood pile, so let me go get that and then lay these down. All right, so I've cut all the boards that I need for the seat. I just have to secure them down with screws, so let me do that right now.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't.
All right, so the seat is done. Now I just have to do the back and the arm supports. But it is getting hot out here, so I'm gonna take a break, get some water, rest my back, and then if it's still cool enough to be out here later on, I'll come out and finish the back of the seat, and then we just have to hang it from the frame. So let me go take my break. Okay, my lovelies, this is the next day. I tried to come out here later yesterday, and the mosquitoes were just eating me alive, so I decided to wait till today. And luckily the sun is moving away from the patio area where I'm working, so hopefully I can get the swing at least assembled today. I might not be able to put it up on the frame yet, but today I can maybe assemble the back of the seat and the arm rest. So I'm gonna start that now. It's a pretty good breeze out here today, even though earlier it was just insufferable. But we're gonna get through it. All right, let's go.
Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Stick around. never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with
All right, so I'm gonna attach these spindles to the back of this bench, and hopefully that will secure the back a little bit better. But I know I'm gonna have to do something across the back as well, just to keep it steady. So we shall see what I can get done. So let me attach these spindles.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna fly than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at zero. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope.
Okay, so I got the back of it done. I am gonna have to straighten out a couple of the boards in the back, but for the most part, it's fine. Now I just have to add the armrest. So I'll do that first thing in the morning. I'm getting tired and overheated. So tomorrow I'm gonna do the armrest, and then I'm gonna suspend the bench from the frame. That is the hope. So see you tomorrow. It is early in the morning the next day, so I'm gonna finish the bench and do the handle, like the armrest part, and then I'm going to try to suspend it from the frame. It's supposed to rain today, so hopefully I can get this done before it rains. Yeah, we'll see.
No one ever knows where we heading, where the story goes. I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at zero, will it ever
so I have to attach these bolts, or what do they call them? Screw and eye. These are for rope though. I don't know. I have chain, so I might have to get something different. We'll see. But anyway, I have to attach it to the seat. I'm gonna attach it here and here. No, here and here.
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop.
Alright, so I bought chain instead of rope. So I'm hoping that these last. They might not work with the chain, but to kind of offset that, I bought these carabiners. They call them something different, but quick links, I don't know. Anyway, I bought these instead so that I can attach the chain to it, and then I can secure it with this lock on it. So I'm gonna see if that works and then we'll hang it up. But first I have to put these bolts up in the frame.
Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over?
I got everything, all the hooks in, all the, bolts, whatever, onto the swing, onto the frame. But then when I tried to hook the chain onto the carabiner, it doesn't go, y'all. It's too small. The hole is too small. It won't go in. I'm so disappointed. So either I take the chain back and get a bigger chain, or I take these back and get them smaller. The problem is, when the hardware store I went to, they didn't have this in a smaller size. And yeah, the only other thing I can think of is to do a rope, which I don't want to do a rope, even though I know these say it's for rope, but I'd rather do the chain. I really rather do the chain. The only other thing I could think of is to maybe try to open up the eye of the bolts, of the hooks and things, hook and eye. But I don't want to damage the integrity and the strength of it. So I'm trying to decide what to do. It's starting to get hot again, and I'm running out of time. So let me have a think on it, and then I'll show you what my results are. Alright, so I went and got the right size and exchanged those other ones, and now I have both sides hooked up at the top. I just need to hook them to the side of the bench, but I'm gonna have to cut the chain in half with my angle grinder, and then we'll see what I can do otherwise. All right, I got it up there. I think the seat is a little too high, and I'm gonna have to do something about those bolts on the side, because at least the one at the bottom, I don't know if it's just not strong enough, or it keeps hitting, as you can see, kind of hits the side a little bit. So maybe I'll have to find a different way to do that. But otherwise it works. It's done.
Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over?
Okay, you guys, that is it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be painting this white. I mean, some of the parts are already painted white from when I had my greenhouse painted white, but since I used the scrap wood. But yeah, I'm gonna paint this whole thing white to match all the other white things out here. But for right now, this is it. This is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I would love to see you back here for the next video, which will probably be in France. If you'd like to see what I get up to in France and all the future projects I have planned for this home and the home there as well, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, take care.